how to set up and mount your Arlo Essential wire-free camera. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and mount your wire-free camera in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Setup. To begin, open the Arlo app and make sure you're connected to your home network. From the Arlo app, select Add Device, Cameras, and then Essential. If you don't already have the free app, you can download it from the App Store and create an account. The Arlo app will help you complete setup and guide you through the installation process. Step 2. Prep. Now, follow the prompts in the app to connect to a 2.4 GHz network and enter your Wi-Fi credentials. If you don't have a 2.4 GHz network, you will need to create one or contact your network administrator to enable it. Next, press and hold the round white sync button on the bottom of the Arlo camera for 1 to 2 seconds. The LED light on the front of the camera will start to flash blue. Hold your camera approximately 4 to 6 inches away from the QR code displayed in the app. You will hear a chime from the camera once the QR code has been successfully scanned. The camera will automatically be found by the Arlo app. Give your camera a unique name to help identify it later. If your camera is not found, repeat the sync steps again until the blue light is flashing. Once your camera is set up, it will automatically look for updates. This can take a few minutes. If you have multiple cameras, simply repeat the setup steps for each unit. Step 3. Mounting. Find a location to mount your camera outside your home or business with a clear vantage point. You'll also want to ensure that the location you select has a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. Check the signal strength here. A strong signal is indicated with the colour bar reaching green on the far right. After you've found the ideal location, you'll want to install the mount. Tighten the back of the mount to ensure a tight fit. You can adjust the angle by turning the thumb screw anti-clockwise. Once you have positioned your camera to the desired angle, turn the thumb screw clockwise to lock the position in place. To charge, unscrew the camera from the mount, leaving the mount attached to the wall. Take the camera inside and plug in the USB charging cable provided to the port at the base of the camera. When your camera is mounted, select Continue and the app will prompt you to set up a free trial of Arlo Smart. The Arlo app will guide you through the easy setup of your included smart trial. Step 4. Arlo Smart Setup. Arlo Smart is a paid subscription service that can be added to any Arlo camera to make them even more effective at protecting what you care about. It gives you access to premium security features including AI-powered people, vehicle, animal and package detection, custom activity zones, and 30-day cloud video storage. To subscribe to Arlo Smart and unlock the additional security features of your Arlo device, simply enter the settings menu in the Arlo app and then select Subscription Plan. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose the right Arlo Smart subscription for you. Arlo takes your privacy very seriously, and this includes your data. We use the same data encryption methods as banks and ensure that the only person who sees your videos is you. Congratulations, your setup is now complete. We hope you enjoy your new Arlo Essential camera.